This video will show you how to create a simple assignment where students can upload one file and it is marked using a grade sheet in Moodle. To create the assignment, click Add an activity or resource and select Assignment. Click Add and the setup page appears. Add your assignment name and a brief description. If you check the box Display Description on Course Page, then anything that is typed in this box will appear on the course page. The next section is Availability. Here you can control when students are able to see the assignment and the due date of the assignment. If you have Always Show Description, this will always be displayed. If you do not have this box checked, then the submission dates are not shown on the course page until the assignment is due. As we're doing a simple submission, we're going to ask our learners to submit one file, and we can keep all the rest of the information to default. We don't need to change anything else at all. Click on Feedback Types and you will see there are three selections. We are going to do online feedback, so we will keep the feedback comments box checked and we won't check the others. In submission settings, you can select whether or not students are required to click a Submit button. This can be useful because then you know that they have finally uploaded it and it's their final document. So I usually change that to Yes. You can also ask that students accept a submission statement, where, for example, they can declare that it is all their own work. Again, I usually use this. We'll ignore the group submission settings as we are asking individuals to submit assignments, not groups. In notifications, you can choose to have an email sent to you when somebody submits an assignment, or if somebody has not submitted an assignment by the due date. Although this can be useful, if you have large groups, bear in mind that each time a learner submits, you will receive an email and this will fill up your email box. Default grading is marks out of 100, but this can be changed by clicking on the drop-down arrow and selecting from one of the others that are available. I am going to choose pass-only assignments. It'll be a simple direct grading method and the grading will not be categorized. Common Moodle settings can remain at default, as can restrictive access and activity completion. At this point you click and Save and Display. When the learner sees this page, this section here, the grading summary, will show only for theirs, so it will tell them whether they've submitted and whether they've put drafts in. It will not tell them the whole group. This is because I am the trainer in this particular instance and so I can see everything. Students will also have a button like this one that tells them where they can add their submissions. If I return to the main page, I can see that the assignment is here. This is the symbol that all assignments have. By clicking on this link, students will be able to submit their work.